it's a Monster Jam. It's a Cobra. There we go. So yeah, I like it. Today I gonna retire a little bit on fingerboard. Saja saya akan berhenti sekejap untuk papan landas dan buat review sikit lah. Just ni, drop. And of course, something surprise, but I can't review that yet. Okay, so coming soon. In the meantime, focus on this one. Let's review. So this are what I say. It's a new 2025. Now we are 2026. So it is now old a little bit. Hot Wheel Monster Truck. So yeah, it's a nice, classic, simple, basic. I like it. I like it a lot. That's the back. In the back. There we go. Yeah, clip. Nice. There we go. Okay. Of course, I don't want to review on packaging. Who am I? A toy collector? No, I'm toy unboxer. So of course. There we go. Ooh, the premium. There we go. Ooh. Oh yeah. The premium plastic. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. Oh yeah, this is nice. Nice a lot. Simple, basic, and Cobra style. Rawr. Oh gosh, this is not Tiger. Cute. Cute and cool. Nice. Ooh, wow. Nice. So of course, I don't know a lot, but I'm not expert on Monster Jam or Monster Truck, that matter. But I know one thing: the big company are doing this Monster Truck compatible by Bigfoot. So of course this one is like his own